gadget of the Samsung. Um, this is my tablet. Wait, I will open this for you. Samsung Galaxy Tablet 3. This is again Elma. Hello! Kamusta? Kamusta kayo? Explore Elmo. Elmo explore. This is my picture. I'm going to do a review of 14 words, singular and plural pronunciation from generic batch of words. Habit, singular, plural for habit. Headphones, headphone, R, R, hundred, hundred. Inaccuracy, inaccuracy. Increase, increases. Increase for noun. Increase verb. Because there is a demand based on economic when it's rise and fall. Number 1. Interference, interferences. Interpret, interpret with letter S. Inventory, change Y to IES. Inventory. That's the verb. Issue, issues. Keyboard, keyboard. Laptop, laptop. Man, man. With a color, one camera, blue color. There's a blue color on the camera. And see, I get a mold here. As you see. And some additional words like PC, pieces, myth, online, online, power, powers, TV, TV, video, videos, words, words, simple, simply, stars, stars, zero, zeros, fruit, fruit, apple, apple, apple. Get this flashcard, a dozen of cards. Let's explore this flashcard. Let's see what's the inside about the apple. Yes. See it clearly? An apple. Next is a Apple. For letter B, it's a ball. Yes, a ball for letter B. And the third one is letter C. Can you see that? A cat. C. Cat. And for letter D, that's a duck. With letter S, a duck. Count 1 to 10 with letter S. And it's an elephant. For letter E, give me a letter E. Elephant. Give me a letter F for a fish. 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 Yes, not a dolphin, but a fish. The swim. A tilapia. Yes, that's the tilapia fish. A skin. Look at the skin. The skin is colorful. At the ocean. Under the sea, there's a fish. Letter G. Can you see that camera? Gift. I showed that to you. For letter G, it's a gift. Letter G, gift. Letter H, horse. With a picture of horse at the praise. Once you got a guessing game like monkey, playing cards, there's a pet of monkey, and there's another one, playing cards, a horse. That's letter H. When you pronounce letter H, H. E-I-C. H. From letter H, get letter G. When you pronounce the letter G, there is a spelling of pronunciation. Letter G. J. J. F. F. A. A. Remember the spelling. For every letter, there's a spelling of pronunciation. A. E. Letter D. Duck. D. Duck. For cat. S. 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 Cat. It's a cat. For letter B. 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 Ball. For letter B. Ball. An A. It's an A. A. Apple. That's from A to H. Now, it's the I. A. Ice cream. When you say